says Hello Kitty 70%
Mommy,
off.
when we play it, can I wear it outside and get pay for it?
It's a rough day here in the house, you guys. We were supposed to have egg rice, but we ran out of rice. I went to go open up the rice cooker and it was empty.
Dad, why did you come down?
Still 40 minutes.
I couldn't wait until you come down in the morning.
You couldn't wait?
No.
Oh no.
Why you didn't wake up?
Oh, I should have cooked rice early? Okay. On the bright side, the hash browns are done. The hash browns are ready. Broadcast girls, come down. The hash browns are ready.
I want hash browns.
Okay, broadcasting now.
Oh my gosh. Look how yummy and golden.
The hash browns.
The hash browns smell so good.
We didn't get to eat croissant yet.
Croissant, girl, we haven't bought croissants in forever. Should I add that to our Costco list?
Yes.
Okay, this is super hot. Maybe you want ketchup, sis?
I don't want hash browns. I want coffee.
It'll take how many more minutes now? 39 minutes.
I tried McDonald's.
Did you like the McDonald's hash brown?
Yeah.
Oh. But they're both good.
They both get a 5 out of 5.
Wow.
I give it 0 out of 0. Oh no.
Wow. Look at that rice.
Oh, no.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
Why do you say oh no? And she's so happy. Leah, just please wait. Mom's going to drink water. Okay, did you want this seaweed?
Yes, please.
I love that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. These animals are so mean to each other.
Oh, he's trying to get in on it.
Mommy, do the bunch of coins.
No, eat those coins. Mommy got a bunch of coins.
But mommy, I'll get 2 more so we can go on a walk.
Thank you, Seattle Met. Look how cute. Little JB. Mia and Kira. Anyway, this one was from Seattle Mac. All is great in the world. Bella's like me. When she's hungry, she's hangry. And right as soon as you feed that kid, she's just on cloud 9. She's the happiest. The littles and I are going to the outlet. I need to pick up some of the kids' clothes. I did some back to school shopping and it arrived a few weeks ago. I didn't know that if you don't, not a few weeks ago, a few days ago. I didn't know that if you don't pick up, I think they give you a certain window, they're gonna send it back. And Leah is so excited because over there they have the little rides, you know, the ones that you put 2 coins in, and I have a jar over here with hella coins. There must be at least $50 of coins in there. The thing is, it's mixed with international coins. Oh, hey, Glenda. Whoa, girl. Wow.
Glenda.
You know, you're supposed to wear this backpack. This is your backpack.
Glenda.
The American Girl doll game, it's so strong still. Now it's passed on to
Are you
littles.
almost done?
No, I didn't even put any makeup on.
What were you doing with the toast?
I was prepping my skin. I had to put lotion on my skin.
Can I get your makeup and give it to you?
Okay, can you give this to me? Thanks.
Hi. But mommy, can I do your makeup? You just tell me where to put it, please.
Okay, here, this one. Just this one time, okay? You're gonna put
Mommy,
this in a
look.
line on top over here.
Mommy.
Okay,
Mommy, look.
All right, and then one more. Put
Mommy.
it. Ooh, that's on top, like on top of it.
Right here.
Thank you. Can you put a dab of concealer on there? Oh, okay, perfect. A little over here in this corner and one in this corner.
A dab, like this.
Yeah, a dab, like what you did there.
Like that.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Okay, now mommy has to do the rest. I'm gonna be quick, okay? And mommy do turbo. Mommy wanna do makeup in peace.
Aren't you gonna play music? I have peace.
That looks good. Okay, cool. Just leave your purse on the bottom, okay? Baby, we'll see what they have, okay? I think that means 12 months. That's for like a 1-year-old. Oh, 12. They should have 5T here. But you would be a little bigger. Let's go look in the back, baby.
Wait, mommy, I need food.
Okay, stop. This is so cute. That should be on sale though. It's like end of summer. Oh wait, sleepwear is 70% off.
Backpack.
Oh, we got a backpack already. This one?
It's cute.
Oh, it's cute. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, Boogie.
Mommy,
See, it says Hello Kitty 70%
Mommy,
off.
when we play it, can I wear it outside and get
Okay.
pay for it?
Okay.
God
God bless you.
Mommy, I got my shiny glasses. Take on one more. This one.
Hello Kitty really jumped in the mystery box game. I could have sworn there was just like 2 or 3. How cute is this promo? Thank you. Look, it even comes with a headband.
I got all Hello Kitty.
All Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty pajama. Guess who's a new owner of the Canon PowerShot 110? Kira! We ended up having to buy a battery online. There was like a generic one on Amazon for like $9. A battery charger. What's this for?
It's the time.
Oh! What time is it right now?
It's 3:54.
3:54?
7:54.
Girl.
It just hit 7:54.
Your time zone of West Coast. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I miss this camera so much.
You miss it? Was this one of your first cameras? Was this your first camera?
It was. Hold on, let me see. Do your best not to touch the lens. I think this was like brand new. Look, there's like not even one scratch on it.
make it like a case.
This could fit in your pocket and stuff. You don't need a case. Oh, baby, please be careful with it, okay? Because I don't think they make these anymore.
Wow, thank you.
Oh, I love it. I love
So
that my
cool.
baby is using it. Good morning. I just now discovered, I've had this contour stick for a while, that there's a brush on the other side. Is it? Oh, you could probably replace it. I'm gonna challenge myself to do my makeup during the day now. I've been doing it in the evening this past year or so, really to just practice quicker and better. And like, I mean, I know they all kind of look like the same look, but you know, you learn through repetition and trying different techniques. I think I'm gonna do like lashes today. What should I do? I want something a little lighter. I'm gonna go for my naked lashes from Ardell. These are the 424s. They're more on the natural end of falsies. So my trick is to buy the falsies at CVS when they're on sale, because I have a membership. It's something like you pay $10, no, you pay $5 a month and you get $10 each month. And I literally buy something from there every single month, whether it's medicine, snacks, body lotions, body oils, like that's my go-to. And sometimes you really gotta check the price. It's more expensive than if you were to go to like Walmart or Target. You really just gotta work the system. Otherwise you are gonna lose money, but girl, I work the system. Anyway, so what I was saying is, yeah, I'm challenging myself to wear my makeup out, and we'll do some back to school shopping. I'm gonna mentally prepare myself. I know what it's like shopping with preteens and teens, and then throw in multiple of them. We're just gonna enjoy a nice leisurely, relaxing shopping day.
Someone's at the front door.
Leave it out just to out there or whatnot, or you can push it
Oh
back.
yes,
You're
yes,
cooking
I'll do that.
Okay.
You can just leave it as is.
Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my gosh, you guys. So I knew our fridge was acting up, but I didn't realize how bad it was. When the guy checked it, he's like, it's weird. There's nothing, it doesn't look like there's anything too serious other than it frosting over. He asked, do you think maybe when the kids accidentally left the freezer open or when the door's open? And it's very, very possible. That's like 100% possible. He suggested air it out, dry it out completely for the next couple days, and then plug it back in and see if it starts working. Fortunately, we do have another fridge in the garage that we could put the stuff in, and we've been, you know, eating at home a lot, so the freezer is almost empty. It's so chill. Yesterday I went to Hollister to pick up the kids' clothes, a line at the door. And I went up, I go, oh, I'm just picking up an order. Do I have to still wait in line? They're like, yes. So I said, I'll just come back on a weekday. And I think I made the perfect choice. We left a little bit room to pass through, but it just needs a defrost. And then we're gonna turn it back on and see if it refrigerates like normal. This is like my 8th time coming here to get something from the fridge because I'm like forgetting. We're gonna have leftovers today for dinner. Well, the kids get to choose. They could eat beef and broccoli, or I made mac and cheese with peas. Now Bella, she said she doesn't want mac and cheese, so she's gonna have rice. She really is our little Filipina girly, where she could just live off rice. She doesn't care. I mean, unless I offered her chicken nuggets. She would have loved that too, but I'm getting tired. And really, I need a workout. I'm supposed to do my arms today. I'm tired, but I gotta do it because I gotta stick to the plan. I feel myself kind of wanting to slip off because I didn't want to eat while we were out. The kids wanted pretzels. You gotta eat first, baby, before you get your vitamins. Oh, by the way, when I made the beef, you know how I mentioned that I put baking soda in it? It did change up the flavor a bit. It tastes more like Chinese food, which is this kind of like a Chinese inspired dish. It's beef and broccoli. But it did something with the meat. It tenderizes the meat, but it also has a slightly different flavor. And Benji already told me, he's like, I don't like it. But we gotta finish this. Maybe also I put a little bit too much baking soda, but it's not necessary that I do it. Go pick that up, Boogie. Yes!
Day in class. Special voice? All right. Hey, Duncan. It's me, Red Crayon. We need to talk. You make me work harder than any of your other crayons.
Daddy, did he draw this?
Yeah, he did. All year long.
But Daddy, he's not black and red.
Dear Duncan.
What is this?
It's like a little mark. All right,
What's
listen.
this for?
I love
Daddy.
that I'm your favorite crayon.
Daddy.
Gray Crayon here. You're killing me. I know you love elephants and I know that elephants are gray. But that's a lot of space to color in all by myself.
I can see him
I
this
only
and this.
used to color
And Daddy,
snow.
I can see this and this.
Dear Duncan, as Green Crayon, I am writing for 2 reasons.
Daddy, may he borrow orange, or maybe he borrow.
To do coloring book. Orange is glad I'm here. Orange crayon.
Now it's them again, so it's orange than you again. He's so tiny, what happened? Daddy, what happened to him? Daddy, what happened to him? Daddy, what happened to him?
I'm about to tell you.
Daddy, what happened?
I'm telling you the story.
Daddy, what happened to him?
Hey, good night. Going to the dentist tonight.
Dad,
Gonna go to the dentist tomorrow.
Good evening. We have a dentist appointment early, 9 o'clock, all the kids. And I told the littles, I said, guys, we have to sleep early because especially Leah, she loves to sleep in. So sometimes, like in the summertime, it's even after 9. She'll get up, right? But she'll just like chill in bed for like an extra 30 minutes. So they need to go down. It's 11:16 and I hear her giggling in the room right now. Jumpy, I don't even know what's happening. Not even giggling, like hysterically laughing. I mean, how can I get upset at that? I'm gonna take a nice hot shower and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm watching The Talented Mr. Ripley. Is it just me or does Matt Damon kind of resemble Hilary Swank? Come on. The mouth, the lips, the teeth.
Funny thing is, I'm not.